Unlock your next real estate goldmine by mastering Batchleads' powerful property search tools. Let's dive right into Batchleads and supercharge your property hunt first. Identify the core search area you're interested in. This could be a specific city, neighborhood, or even a zip code. Batchleads allows you to draw custom areas directly on the map, giving you granular control over your search radius. Now, let's refine our search with filters. Batchleads offers an extensive range of filters to match your unique investment criteria. Are you looking for single-family homes, condos, or multi-family units? Specify your desired property type. You can also set precise parameters for the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and even narrow down your price range to ensure you're targeting properties within your budget. Beyond basic filters, Batchleads excels with its map-based search. As you apply filters, you'll see the map populate with potential properties. Hover over a pin to get a quick summary, including key details like square footage, estimated value, and even owner information. This visual approach is invaluable for understanding market density and identifying hot pockets of opportunity. Clicking on a property pin reveals the detailed property information. Here, you can delve deeper into its features, recent sales history, and crucially, estimated equity and potential ROI. Batchleads provides these insights to help you quickly assess if a property aligns with your investment strategy. Remember, the goal is not just to find properties, but to find profitable properties. By strategically using these filters and map tools, you'll significantly streamline your property search and uncover the best potential deals with confidence.